Welcome back to No Salt BP. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and of course at NoSaltBP.com. This week we're paying homage to the United States Army, Army veterans, and the zodiac earth signs, which includes Capricorn, Virgos, and Taurus. And we're going to begin with food from the earth. So let's get started, shall we? What I have here is a vegan hot dog. You want to always make sure when you're preparing vegan food that you're not mixing it with beef. So here's a nice vegan hot dog, and if you notice, it exceeds the size of the bun. So we're going to put it in here. And we're going to do a vegan extravaganza with pico de gallo, prepared with cilantro, red onions, jalapenos, and tomato. Mix that in here. There was some pepper added. And this was made at home. I'll show it to you. This is home prepared pico de gallo. Oh, this smells good. Snoopy eats, you're in trouble. No Salt BP vegan hot dog with pico de gallo, prepared with cilantro, tomato, jalapeno, and red onion. And now we're going to come back and prepare our Chicago dogs, because guess what? I was born on the south side of Chicago. I will see you in a moment. Welcome back to No Salt BP. As promised, I'm going to deliver a Chicago dog. This will be a modified Chicago dog. Number one, due to the sodium, and number two, we're using a different bun. Okay? So, let's get started, shall we? Let's come over here to the stove. Our bun is prepared. Thank you so much to the United States Army and veterans and the zodiac signs of Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. This is our base. Next, we're going to place in some spicy brown mustard. Ooh, that's trying to come out already. Put in a little bit of that. We're using sweet relish because it's lower in sodium, so it's not as dark. An absolute must for the Chicago dog are the tomatoes. Tomatoes set it off. Tomatoes. Add in a little bit of red onion. just a couple of slithers, a few. And of course, the Chicago dog would not be complete without the hot chili peppers. Place 4 in there, and finally, next to finally, 1 pickle. Remember, your pickles are kind of high in sodium. A whole pickle is about 180 milligrams. So we're going to use a quarter. And we're going to top it off with celery seed, not celery salt. This is celery seed organic. And there you have it. That's our Chicago dog. And this is the vegetarian Pico de Gato dog. I'm going to place these 2 over here. And I thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today. I realize you have many choices and channels to receive your recipe information. However, here at NoSaltBP, we do it without the salt and we count the carbohydrates. I wore this t-shirt last Saturday on my Hot Diggity Dog Day at Kitty City in Los Angeles. I attended a neighborhood council meeting, and there were many members who asked about this t-shirt. And what this t-shirt says is, if you don't vote, those who do vote will make decisions for you. Okay? Doesn't matter your political party. Register to vote. Again, I thank you for joining me so much today, and I will see you in the next one. Good night.